The 2025 Buick Regal marks a bold step forward for the brand, blending refined luxury with a sharper, more athletic edge. Right from the first glance, it's clear Buick has embraced a more modern design philosophy. The sleek, coupe-like silhouette is complemented by wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and flowing lines that give the Regal a confident, premium stance on the road. Subtle chrome accents and available 19-inch alloy wheels add to the upscale aesthetic, making it a real head-turner without being too flashy. Under the hood, the new Regal comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth yet spirited 250 horsepower. Paired with a responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain strikes a balance between efficiency and driving enjoyment. For those seeking more grip and stability, an optional all-wheel drive system is available, making the Regal a capable choice for varying road conditions. Buick's quiet tuning technology continues to impress, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum for a serene cabin experience, even at highway speeds. Inside, the 2025 Regal embraces a clean, driver-focused interior with an emphasis on comfort and intuitive technology. Soft-touch materials, available leather upholstery, and contrast stitching reflect Buick's commitment to craftsmanship. The front seats are both supportive and well-cushioned, with optional heating, ventilation, and power-adjustable features. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with ample legroom and headroom, making the Regal a solid option for families or frequent travelers. The dashboard features a new 11-inch infotainment touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is responsive and easy to navigate, complemented by a customizable digital driver display. Buick has also added a suite of driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, all standard and higher trims and available in base models as part of a safety package. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Buick Regal is its ability to bridge the gaps between mass-market practicality and near-luxury refinement. It offers the upscale feel of more expensive European sedans, but with the reliability and value that American buyers appreciate. Buick has managed to keep the Regal relevant and competitive by focusing on comfort, technology, and design without losing sight of affordability. Overall, the 2025 Buick Regal is a well-rounded mid-size sedan that caters to drivers looking for sophistication without excess. With its confident styling, composed performance, and feature-rich interior, it proves that practicality and premium features don't have to be mutually exclusive. Whether commuting through the city or cruising on long highways, the Regal delivers a driving experience that feels elevated, yet accessible.